Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The measure of an angle of quadrilateral is 35 degree. If measure of the other angles are in the ratio 2:5:6, what is the measure of the biggest angle? Now we know that sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. This is angle sum property of quadrilaterals. Now we are given that one angle is 35 degrees. So angle 1 is 35 degrees and other three are in the ratio 2:5:6. So let the common factor of other angles be x. So the other three angles become angle 2 equal to 2x degree, angle 3 equal to 5x degree, and angle 4 equal to 6x degree. And using angle sum property, what we can do, we can simply add angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 360 degrees. So angle 1 is 35 degree, angle 2 is 2x plus 5x plus 6x equal to 360 degrees. Now what do we have here? We have 2x plus 5x 7x, 7x plus 6x 13x. So we get 35 plus 13x equal to 360 degree. Taking 35 over to other side, we get 13x equal to 360 minus 35. So we get 13x equal to 325. So x is equal to 325 divided by 13, which is equal to 13 2s are 26, 6 remains 65, that means 13 5s are 65. So we get value of x equal to 25. So we have to find measure of the biggest angle. Okay. So biggest angle must be corresponding to 6x degree. So therefore measure of biggest angle equal to 6x degree, which is equal to 6 into 25, which is equal to 150 degrees. So let's see, yes, answer is option D.